Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. I will take you back a little bit. In October 15, 2022, October 15 is where I made this chart, the gold weekly chart. This is Elliott wave count 1, ABC 2, 3, ABC wave 4, ending. I have a question mark here. That means that I was expecting an end here for this wave 4 and then followed by wave 5 to the upside. So let's get let's see what happened to this chart. Sorry, excuse me. So now it started to go exactly from there to the upside. 1802 hit first, then next was 1920. So what happened? We went there, 1920, nice and clean. So then I said that, okay, we're going to drop from there back to 1802 and then go to the upside here, taking out these highs. So this chart start to drop again, drop, and then reach to 1802 exactly and start to bounce. And the idea was that now it's going to go up for wave 5. So this thing start to go up. I'm going to quickly skip a lot of charts so that, we don't waste time. So now we were 1998. And then I said, we're going to go up here. And if we break, then we go to the upside. If not, we're going to drop. So we went up there and hit that band, 2074 and 2070. And we couldn't break that to the upside and we start dropping. So we start dropping here, and this is 27th May. So this is where I said, okay, now what will happen is the current chart is this. See, after that, we had 2 more weeks. This week is going, the last week was doji, and then this week was, it was still doji now, right? And this is what I think, that is probably gonna just drop a little bit to 1920 and then bounce and then go after this wave 5 target. Okay, why? Because 1920 is a big number, is right there. This is a big, huge mountain here, Mount Everest, right? So we broke above that already. This time we dropped this time, and then now this time these were two, like the high of wave 4. I mean wave 3. Then there was a B and then C, and now we are back to this high, and then probably this time we gonna hold above this 1920 and then go for a little bit more to the upside for wave 5. All right, so that's what I think. This is not today's date. Today's date is June 8th, and we have it here. All right, so pay attention to this. A little more drop, I guess, or not, maybe. Right now, today, we have, today's Thursday morning. It's 5:22 a.m. 8:30 in the morning, we have a red news for USD. USD moved this gold as well. So we're going to have USD probably move this thing a little bit to the downside. 1920 is the one that, that number that I am expecting a bounce. And let's see, if we drop below 1920, then we are coming to 1916 and then 1877. If not, 90% I think that it's gonna just bounce from this 1920 and go to the upside. So good luck with that. And this is what I think. And then how far it's gonna go is gonna break this band and then see this, the wave 4 end here. And 127% extension is coming around 2193. 2193 on this chart. Well, this is the highest point that we have these, and 2193 would be somewhere here, a little bit more than right here, than these highs, right? So let's see what happens. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get my videos quickly and you can trade accordingly. Sometimes I give out very good setup, right? Hundreds of pips you can make out of those setups. So bye for now, and talk to you guys. Okay, what do I do? What do I do? Stop here. Stop the